Students, welcome back to social studies. Yes, what all we studied about previous class? We studied about earth movements, right? Yes. Now we'll see about the revolution. About revolution. Yes. While the earth moves on its axis, it also moves around the sun in the fixed path is called as orbit. Yes, what it will called as? It will called as orbit. In which way? The earth moves on its axis. Can see how the earth is moving? Yes, it also moves around the sun. The sun will be always in the fixed path. Okay, the sun won't move. Only the around the sun the planets will gonna rotate, especially the earth moves around. What we'll call that? We'll call it as orbit. What we'll call it as orbit. Okay, next we'll see the movement of the earth around the sun is called as revolution. What we'll call the movement, however it will be rotating? Yes, it is also known as revolution. Okay, yes. Next we'll see the earth takes 365 of its days on one complete year to complete one revolution. Yes, actually see this rotation or this revolution, it will take 365 1 by 4th days. Okay, because see this is winter, from winter to autumn, autumn to summer, summer to spring. Those seasons in which days we can see? Yes, obviously throughout the year, like Jan, February, March, April, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, right? Yes, those 1 year it will take to complete one revolution around sun. Okay, yes. Next we'll see, to make it terrace, we treat each year as having 365 days and add cup of 1 by 4th days of 4 years. Yes. To make a 4th year is a leap year that has 366 days. So the 3 years, the month of February as 28 days, in the 4th or a leap year, February as 29th day. Okay, yes, see everybody knows, right, when the leap year will comes, which days will consider as a leap year? Yes, obviously 29th of February will consider as a leap year, right? For how many years once it will come? It will come 3 years once. Okay, yes, see the day of the 4th years that make a 4th year as a leap year, that has 366 days. For 3 years once we can see 366 days because it will add up the leap year. Okay, whenever that February 29th day will add up, on that day we will see, on the whole year we will see 360 days, and that is also considered as leap year. Okay, yes, in the 4th of a leap year, February has a 29 days. 3 years once we can see. Okay, yes. Next we will see what causes that season. See, autumn, winter, spring, rainy, what will it causes? We'll see. The revolution of the earth around the sun causes a season. The second factor causing season in inclination of the earth axis. Yes, this inclination or a title of the earth axis in 23rd of degree Celsius season or divisions of a year according to the regular changes in the condition of the weather. See, in summer season weather we can see in winter season. In winter season weather we can see in autumn season we can see in spring season. No, for every season have its own its own seasons, right? As well as its own weather, right? Yes. So this is nothing but the revolution of the earth around the sun. However, the revolution of the earth around the sun, it will causes on that the earth is also exists the 23 of degrees Celsius. The season is divided into according to their year, and not only that, it regularly changes is weather according to their condition. Okay, see, autumn, winter, spring, summer. Can everybody see this? Yes, according to their condition of weather changes, we can see the seasons. Clear? Yes. Next, everybody open your page number 21. This is a small experiment. We can see color the sun earth. Use a black to color the part of the earth that will have a night, and orange and yellow it shows the light. What you have to do? This will be your homework. What you have to do? You have to color the sun. Okay, you have to color the sun. In which color we have to use? Yellow and orange for showing the lights. As well as for earth, which color you can use? Yes, for earth you can use the color, use black to the color the part of the earth. Which color you have to use? Black color. So what you have to do? You have to color those. This is a activity. Now no need of taking activity and all. Everybody open a page number 22. Which page number? 22. Everybody open a page number 22. Yes, now we'll see name the sun and earth, moon in solar and lunar eclipse and give above. What you have to do? Which is sun, which is moon, which is earth. You have to write those names and you have to color those. Okay, no need of color. Okay, you just write this is sun, this is earth, this is moon. This will be your homework. What you have to do? You have to name those, which is sun, which is moon, which is earth. Okay, next we'll see the earth is moving around the sun and the moon is moving around the earth. This when the sun and moon are fall in a line, shadows are formed. These are called as eclipse. There are two kinds of eclipse, solar and lunar. Yes, see the earth moving around the earth moving around the sun, but the moon moving around the earth. Okay, see, this is the logic. The earth moving around the sun, but the moon moving around the earth. Okay, yes. It is nothing but those is called as when the sun moves, when the sun, moon and earth fall in the line, shadows are formed as, this is called as eclipse. What we call this, those rays or those lines, the shadows are formed. Yes, those are nothing but eclipse. Okay, yes. In eclipse we have two types. Which are those? Solar and lunar. Yes, solar and lunar. Yes. What is solar eclipse? We'll see now. When the moon comes between the sun and the earth. When the moon comes, what is this? Moon. When the moon comes between the earth and sun. When the moon comes between the sun and earth is known as solar eclipse. As well as it casts a shadow on the earth. People living in this shadow area cannot see the sun. Yes, actually, in case of shadow on the earth. Okay, so that time people who are living in this shadow, in this shadow of area they cannot see the sun. Because of why? The moon is between the sun rays. So on that time the shadow will arrives on earth. So what are living on the earth, those time we can't see the sun or a sun rays. Okay, yes. Whereas a people on the other sides of the earth witness the eclipse. See, only so much of area are covered with the shadow. Only those peoples cannot see. Okay, rest of the earth who are people living, they can get sun rays. Okay, so they can see the eclipse. Got to know what is solar? It is nothing but the moon will be arise between the sun and the earth is known as solar eclipse. As well as when the moon will be arise between them, on that earth they will get the shadows, so that such peoples they can't see the sun. Okay, yes. Now we'll see about lunar. Yes, what is lunar eclipse? It is nothing but when earth comes between the sun and the moon, sunlight cannot reach the moon. Yes, you can see when the earth comes between sun and moon, what we cannot see? Sunlight cannot reach to the moon because the earth is bigger than the moon, right? Yes. So the moon will be dark. Okay. As the moon has no light of its own, it's become dark. This is called as lunar or a moon eclipse. See, if the sun rays won't fall, on the moon means we can't see the moon lighter, because moon won't have its own light. So only it depends on sun. If the sun rays is fall on the moon, then we can see moon in the brighting, or moon it will be arise in the form of light. But what happened in lunar eclipse? In lunar eclipse, between the sun and moon, the earth will be arises, so the moon will be in the dark lunar or a dark moon. It won't get the sunlight. It won't reach it could not reach the sunlight. So always moon will be visible as a dark. You got to know difference of solar and lunar. Solar is nothing but the moon will be arise between the sun and the earth. What is lunar? The earth will be arise between the sun and the moon, and the sun will be fixed path. The earth will be around the sun. The moon will be around the earth. Clear? Yes. Next we'll see cause the day and night, cause the 4 seasons, and earth spins on its degree of the title of the earth axis, the path on which earth moves around the sun. Yes, this one, see what you have to do. This will be, whole page will be your homework, because I have already explained those solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, as well as the path which the earth moves around the sun. Yes, those page you have to do as homework. Okay, yes. And at the next page we'll see at the next class. Okay, anyway students, bye, meet you up at the next class.